Introducing a healthy snacking solution, the Kairos Air Fryer. This revolutionary appliance utilizes superheated air to give your favorite foods a crispy, brown exterior while retaining their moisture on the inside. By using the Kairos Air Fryer, you can reduce the calorie count in your snacks. With a large capacity of 4.5 liters and a powerful 1400-watt motor, it's the ultimate kitchen companion. User-friendly and easy-to-operate touch panel with adjustable temperature control allows for precise cooking. Its convenient design makes the frying basket easy to remove, ensuring easy cleaning and healthier cooking. Plus, it comes with a preset menu selection for added convenience. Voltage: 220 to 240 volts. Frequency: 50/60ths of a hertz. Inside the box, you'll find air fryer with attached wire, inner drawer type basket with fryer plate, and a user guide. Kairos Air Fryer, the healthiest way to fry. Visit our website or contact us today for more information.